Okay, yeah. Look,
Looks like a cow.
the blueberry. Hank the blueberry.
You up
Hank
there?
the blueberry. Woo!
That is insane.
Oh,
Thank you, honey. You don't want them right now? You'll need them in a little bit.
that is fucking badass, man. What do you think, Gimpo?
That was sick. First year they've done that.
I know. Woo! Alright guys, that was the beginning of the Blueberry Festival fireworks. The new drones were added to it this year. Drones at the Blueberry Festival.
It's America. America!
America.
America! What?
Snorted on that one.
They're all just kind of. As soon as they come down, the fireworks are gonna go.
Big fireworks.
Oh yeah. Yeah, oh yeah. I'm sure that's what's gonna happen too.
This is gonna be a badass show, dude. Like that.
On? Okay, there you go.
That was
Promise
sick.
you're gonna want them.
I know, dude. Oh my god. You go a couple shrooms or something like that. It's amazing. That would have been a trip.